Today I'll be talking about infinity and the infinite hotel paradox. Infinity is not a number but a concept of a number which does not have to end. The symbol for infinity is a horizontal 8, which was invented by John Wallis, 1616 to 1703, who derived it from the Roman numeral m for 1000. Infinity doesn't get larger but rather is already formed. Infinity doesn't keep on going, it's just endless. The earliest appearance of infinity is the ratio between the diagonal and the side of a square. Pythagoras believed that the diagonal and the side of a square cannot be expressed as a measurement. Today, we can classify the ratio as irrational and the limit as an endless non-repeating series. Infinite hotel paradox. David Hilbert, 1862 to 1943, tried to explain the concept of infinity by making a story about a hotel with infinite rooms. This story is called Hilbert's Hotel Paradox. Hilbert's Hotel is the biggest hotel as it has an infinite amount of rooms. Imagine, one day you arrive at the hotel and every room in the hotel is occupied. Once you arrive and ask for a room, the hotel makes a loudspeaker and asks the guest to move up to the next room. The guest in room 1 moves to room 2, and the guest in room 2 moves to room 3, and the guest in room n goes to n plus 1. Since the hotel has infinite rooms, every guest will get a new room. This method works for any number of guests. If 100 guests goes in the hotel, ask the guest to move up 100 rooms up. However, what if there's an infinite number of guests waiting to get in the hotel? The method won't work anymore since the guests won't know which room they are assigned to go. This problem can be solved by asking the guests to move into a room with twice the number of their current room. If you're in room 1, move to room 2. If you're in room 30, move to room 60. The guest in room n will move to 2n. This leaves out all the odd numbers rooms empty, and since there's infinite odd numbers, there will be space for every guest. This idea is further extended when infinite buses show up in front of the hotel. Inside the buses there's an infinite number of seats, carrying an infinite number of passengers who want to go in the hotel. To solve this problem, we assign their chair n with the number they're in, b. Now we assign n with 2 and the power of n, and b with 3 and the power of b. The reason why we choose 2 and 3 is because a prime factorization number. We can square 2 with n and cube 3 with b, and the number of guests get to move into that room. Since prime factorization is unique and the n and the b is different from all passengers, they would all be put into a vacant room. This technique only works if there's no one in the hotel. Infinite monkey theorem. Another concept of trying to explain is the infinite monkey theorem. The infinite monkey theorem is a theory that if a monkey hits random keys on the keyboard for an infinite amount of time, then eventually the monkey will almost surely write the works of Shakespeare.